Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson of Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in beautiful Bradenton, Florida, and I just took in this 2015 Chrysler 300. This is 2015, only has 54,977 miles. Really nicely equipped vehicle. Obviously power windows, power door locks, does already have the tinted windows, nice white exterior color. It's going to have Bluetooth backup camera, does have the rotary shift there. Nice big 8.4 inch screen there as well. And really nicely equipped vehicle. The back, I don't know if it's ever really been used at all. You do have the rear AC vents and 2 USBs there as well. So again, really nicely equipped vehicle. This was actually purchased here locally at Firkins, and you know, it's been very well meticulously maintained. This is something that we're going to certify, put on our certified pre-owned lot. So to find out more about this vehicle and others like it, you can contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169, or you can visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.